Conundrums, created by Astronova School. The Closing Conundrum. All right, I've got a question for you. Imagine this. An elementary school in a small town has been around for 100 years. Unfortunately, the historic building is starting to show signs of age, and there are a few ideas bouncing around about what to do next. Some people think the building should be demolished and replaced with a state-of-the-art school. Some people think the school should be closed and used for something else. Some people think the building should be remodeled so the students, teachers, administrators, and staff do not need to be assigned to new schools. The community is deeply divided about what should happen next. So, which three groups of people should come together to make the decision? Option A, Team Community, the adults who live in the school district. Option B, Team Parents, the parents who have kids at the school. Option C, Team Students, the kids who attend the school. Option D, Team Educators, the principal, teachers, and staff at the school. Option E, Team School Board, the people elected to manage the schools in the town. Option F, Team Consultants, a team of experts from the big city. So, what three groups should get to decide what happens to the school? Are you Team Community, Team Parents, Team Students, Team Educators, Team School Board, or Team Consultants? This conundrum is inspired by Hawthorne Elementary School in Elkhart, Indiana, USA.